Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to debug Google Chrome lazy loading issues. Step by step, fully updated for 2026. Lazy loading is a feature that delays loading images or iframes until they are visible on the screen. While it improves performance, it can sometimes cause issues with images not appearing or scripts not loading properly. First, open the website in Google Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac to open Developer Tools. Go to the Elements panel to inspect your page structure and check if images or iframes have the loading equals lazy attribute. Next, go to the Network tab in Developer Tools. Reload the page and observe which resources are loading and which are being deferred. Look for errors or requests that never complete, which often indicate lazy loading issues. You can also disable lazy loading temporarily to test if it is the cause. In Chrome DevTools, right-click the image or iframe element, remove the loading equals lazy attribute, and reload. If the content loads correctly, lazy loading was the problem. For more advanced debugging, use the Performance tab. Record a page load and scroll sequence to see when resources are fetched. Delays or skipped network requests can pinpoint lazy loading problems. Check for JavaScript conflicts, as some scripts may interfere with lazy loading. Disable extensions temporarily using Chrome://extensions and refresh the page to see if the issue persists. Finally, ensure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Some lazy loading bugs are fixed in newer releases. And that's it. By inspecting elements, monitoring network requests, disabling lazy loading for testing, using performance recordings, and checking script conflicts, you can debug Chrome lazy loading issues effectively. If this guide helped you, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome tutorials.